Hello and welcome to lovegardening.com. Today I'm going to show you how to pot on seedlings. Now I have been sowing seedlings for a couple of months now, or sowing seeds should I say, and I have ended up with trays and trays of seedlings. Now this is a helianthus type of sunflower and they are getting far too big to all be in this tray now. They all need to be planted up into their own individual pot, which I've got here. Now these are paper, so they're biodegradable, which is fantastic, and the trick is to be able to get them out of here and into one of those pots without damaging them. Now one of the tips and tricks that I use is plant labels. So I just use the plant label to gently ease the seedling out, and I hold on to a set of what are called seed leaves. So the first set of leaves to come out of a seed are called the seed leaves, and that's what I'm going to hold on to. So I'm going to hold on to a seed leaf and I'm going to try and just have a little bit of a rummage around and try and lift those roots out of, and I can just feel it easing up like that. Now the trick is to not damage the stem, and that's why we're holding on to leaf, and that is just about come free. There we go. So now that's free, I'm going to put some compost into one of these pots. I'm going to put some compost in there. It's a peat-free compost I have, and I'm just going to lift that so I'm just going to firm that in all the way around the stem. Now these need hardening off, and by that I mean that they need to become acclimatised to the temperature out of the greenhouse. When these were first sown, they were all in the greenhouse, meaning they're used to being really cosy and super warm in there. Before I plant them out, they need to kind of adjust to the temperature outside. So what I will do is I'll leave the greenhouse door open overnight and the windows just to let that cool air in. They will still be protected in there, but it'll let that cool air in. And then in the UK, at the end of April, beginning of May, when the danger of frost has passed, I will then plant them into their final positions in the garden, and hopefully they will grow and thrive and give me a beautiful display all through the summer. Now, if you've got any ideas for videos that you want to see, do get in touch with our media team, and for all other how-to videos, visit lovegardening.com.